Monday morning was a cold one. We waited to get out of our sleeping bags until sunlight broke through the trees. The view from camp provided us with an incredible sunrise, letting the leaves show off their color. As soon as Mason had finished drying his boots off in the bathroom, we headed off to get right back on the route we had ended the previous day, due to severe and blinding rain. With a bit more gas in our tanks now, we were ready to go. And we would start off the day much like we had started off the previous 2 days, with many curvy roads, endless miles of curvy roads. This part of our route took us a bit further from Athens, where we experienced some of the incredible landscapes and farm country through rolling hills and open fields. We took a quick stop down through Burr Oak State Park and continued on down State Route 78. We made our way all the way to the town of Malta, where we crossed the Muskingum River. Today was also our travel day to get back home, and due to our road closure a few miles beyond Malta and our time running out, we decided to detour back through Malta and on back to our campsite. Weekends like these, oh, weekends like these. Time may fade, but the memories stay. The road goes on. It seems to never end. We'll keep riding. Adventure is around the bend. As we arrived to gear that had mostly dried out from the rain, we packed up our things and began our journey home. Weekends like this provide a great chance to get out and see some fall color, ride some amazing curvy roads, and really have no particular place in mind that we need to be. That's one of the greatest parts about the windy 9 routes surrounding Athens, Ohio, is that you can ride either as little or as much as you want to in any given day, because they all loop back to Athens, and there's really no particular schedule you need to follow. Well, we'll see you out there on the next adventure.